Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more health and wellness tips. Today, we're exploring a fascinating topic. Can yoga boost the immune system? Let's find out. Our immune system is our body's defense mechanism, and yoga can play a surprising role in enhancing it. Here's how yoga can help boost your immunity. First, yoga is excellent for reducing stress, which is a major factor in immune health. High stress levels can weaken the immune system, but yoga helps manage stress effectively. Let's practice a deep breathing exercise. Inhale deeply through your nose for 4 counts, hold for 4, and exhale slowly for 6. This practice can calm your nervous system and reduce stress hormones. Physical activity, including yoga, promotes overall health and enhances immune function. Try sun salutations. This sequence increases circulation, warms up the body, and supports lymphatic drainage, which is essential for immune health. Yoga can improve sleep quality, which is crucial for a healthy immune system. Restorative yoga poses can help you relax and prepare for a good night's sleep. Lie on your back with your legs extended up against the wall. This pose promotes relaxation and helps lower stress levels. Yoga strengthens the mind-body connection, promoting overall well-being and resilience. Incorporate meditation into your practice. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. This can enhance your mental clarity and emotional balance, supporting your immune system. By incorporating yoga into your routine, you can support your immune system and improve your overall health. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Comment below with your thoughts or questions. Thanks for watching, and namaste.